Hey everyone, today in this video I will discuss on India-China border dispute. First of all, you must know how much border does India share with China. India shares 3,800 kilometer border with China approximately. This border line is divided into three segments. First is western sectors. It covers the Aksai Chin, which comes under the region of Ladakh. And second is middle sector. It covers the border along the state of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. And third is eastern sectors. It covers the state of Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim. This is how borderline has been divided into three sectors. And second question arises, how did China become neighbor country of India? You must know in 1949 China was born. After that China cancelled Xinjiang. It is located in the north of India's Jammu and Kashmir. And in 1950, China would go on to annex the Kingdom of Tibet, the Buddhist kingdom. It was the autonomous kingdom which was located in the neighbor of India. This is how in China became neighboring country of India in 1950 after capturing the Kingdom of Tibet. And third question arises, how did a border become dispute for India? After capturing Tibet kingdom in 1950, China wanted stability in the both region of Xinjiang and the kingdom of Tibet. So China started illegal construction over Aksai Chin. It claims Aksai Chin comes under the China territory because it captured the kingdom of Tibet. As of now, China has been doing a lot of illegal construction in the region of Aksai Chin. This is the dispute over Aksai Chin, and India claims it as an Indian territory. And second, in eastern sector, China claims Arunachal Pradesh as an South Tibet, but India never accept it because it comes under the Indian territory, and in fact China never recognizes it as an Indian territory. These were all disputes between India and China, and because of this 1962 war took place. After that we have a demarcated temporary de facto border known as line of actual control between India and China. I hope you got everything whatever I have told you. If you are unable to understand, you can watch it again. Thank you.